Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainments. And today, there is no box. We have a nice bag. And we're going to see what's inside this bag. Come on, come on, come on. I really want to use the bag. It's a boxing. Okay, we have LED strip lights. And these are environmental friendly. They low heat. They have no noise. They have a soft beam. They have ultraviolet proof radiation. They're energy saver. And they have a long lifespan. I do want to say one thing I've recognized about these lights. You'll know I love my lights. That is one of my tech things, that anything that lights up, stay off me, because I love my lights. Oh, sorry. What I do realize is this with these lights. They come with a remote. And I want to show you this remote that they come with. Of course, I've said it time again. Make sure you don't buy these without these being in the foil. I also have said before, buy it as a unit. So this way, you'll get everything in the box that you need. You'll get the cord. You'll get a bar. Not all of them has this big bar. But some of them do. The majority of them do. It's kind of where you get it at. Then you'll get a little box like this. And in this little box, open this up, will be your remote control. Okay. And there's your remote. And it will also be your remote adapter. This has to be pointed out because this little beam right here is what hits this IR beam that controls the lights. Now, let me explain one thing about these lights that I have realized after I've done with them. I think I have them 3 places in my house. You have to use this type of remote for this. I have a bulb, and a bulb has color. And the remote looks similar to this. And by mistake, I used that remote for my LED lights. And I messed up the color code. So it still works. But the blue is not the blue. The pink is not the pink. The red is not the red. So I highly suggest that if you have other lights in your house that takes a remote like this, do not use that on these, because once you do, it doesn't burn these out, but it messes up your color code, and you lose a lot of colors that you would have. Because that's why I love these, because it has so many different color variations. Even though on here you're only seeing 2, 4, 6, 8, maybe 16 lights. These go higher, darker, a deeper, a lighter, and that's not going to work if you mess up the controllers. Okay, these are very sturdy. I've said these before. You do have to have an extra type of backing. They have said numerous times, we have changed the backings on these for them to stay longer. Take it off the back so you can see. This one is one of the ones who have done that. The backings that they used to have was double-sided sticky tape. It doesn't really work on electronics, bedding. If you want to put these lights under your bed to have that backlight effect, it doesn't stay. So what has been going on is people has been using a variety of things. Like myself, I've used a heavy-duty stapler that will staple outside this to keep it on. This one is a little different because this is a smaller width. Pull this out so you can see. this width is a smaller width compared to what I'm used to, which is a wider width. And now they're using the 3M tape, which is good because that is the same thing that they use on the reusable phone holders that you can put on your phone case and take it off and put it on another phone case. That is that 3D, that's that sticky. So they're starting to use it on here as well. I don't know how good they are because it determines the temperature of the house, or outside. These are for outdoors. There are waterproof. Not all of them are for outdoors waterproof. You have to read the box or look on when you get ready to get it. So, this is them on my TV, and I'm playing a video game, and this is the backlight. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of my things and my stuff, my lights and stuff.